Hey everyone, got a killer online store stocked with amazing products? But how do you get them seen by potential customers? Welcome to the world of paid advertising, your secret weapon for skyrocketing sales. Today, we'll focus on Facebook ads and Google ads, two powerhouses for e-commerce businesses. Why paid ads? Organic reach on social media can be tough. Paid advertising allows you to target your ideal customer directly, putting your products right in front of people actively searching for what you offer. This translates to more website traffic, higher conversion rates, and ultimately, more sales. Facebook ads for e-commerce. Let's start with Facebook ads. Facebook boasts incredible targeting options. You can target by demographics like age, location, and interests. Imagine showing your sports apparel to fitness enthusiasts or your pet toys to loving dog owners. Facebook ads also allows for compelling ad formats. Use eye-catching product images and videos to grab attention. Google ads for e-commerce. Next up, Google ads. This platform is fantastic for reaching people actively searching for products like yours. With Google ads, you can create targeted campaigns using keywords. For example, if you sell phone cases, target keywords like iPhone 14 case or cute phone case. When someone searches for those terms, your ad pops up at the top of the search results, driving potential customers straight to your store. Getting started with paid ads. Both Facebook ads and Google ads offer user-friendly interfaces and tutorials to get you started. Set a budget you're comfortable with, experiment with different targeting options and ad formats, and most importantly, track your results. See what's working and what's not, and constantly optimize your campaigns for maximum impact. Conclusion: paid advertising can be a game changer for your e-commerce business. By strategically using Facebook ads and Google ads, you can reach the right audience, showcase your products, and watch your sales soar. In the next video, we'll explore other marketing strategies to keep your online store thriving. Stay tuned and happy advertising!